Hello and welcome to this presentation of the Eagle Scout Kit Assembly Senior Project. The problem presented to our team by our sponsor Terryberry was to find a way to improve on their current manual process for assembling Eagle Scout medals and packing out the award kits that are presented to Boy Scouts upon achieving the rank of Eagle Scout. Due to the limited yearly production of these kits, they do not have full-time operators working on this process. Rather, they have operators from other roles in their facility that do this in their spare time. As such, they are often inexperienced with the individual steps of this process. Our team worked together with Terryberry to study their current process, and it was determined that the ribbon pinning step was the step in the process that had the most problems with it. In this step, the top bar shown in the image on the upper right is pinned through the ribbon shown on the lower right. This is a fairly troublesome and tedious process to do by hand, and operators would often either incorrectly assemble ribbons or prick themselves in the fingers as they tried to pin the bar through. Our team decided to develop an automated machine that could improve the efficiency of this process. The goal of our machine was to enable any operator in Terryberry's facility to match the cycle time for the ribbon pinning step of a skilled operator for that step. The top bar had to be pinned for the ribbon in such a way that the ribbon did not show above or beyond either side of the top bar, as you can see highlighted in the image to the right. Any solution we proposed to Terryberry would also need to have a relatively short return on investment in order for Terryberry to consider the solution viable. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it was decided to cancel the build phase of this project. Instead, the deliverables for this project were limited to the machine documentation and the program for the programmable logic controller that controls the machine. Our team was highly confident that the design we were proposing would be a viable solution to Terryberry's problems. During the design phase of the project, we built a prototype of the method we intended to use to secure the ribbon during the pinning process, and the prototype passed all tests with flying colors. After the design was finalized, all parties involved in the project were looking forward to seeing the actual machine in action had COVID not interfered. The first challenge our team had to overcome on this project was to determine which steps of their current process could be improved through automation. In this, we not only had to consider several technical challenges that were identified, but we also had to consider whether a solution would be cost-effective for Terryberry. To this end, we completed a cost-benefit analysis of several proposed solutions. We had to design a fixture that was able to secure a flexible cloth ribbon during the pinning process, which, based on the results of our prototyping, we successfully did. We also had to satisfy a cycle time requirement of 15 seconds for every ribbon produced, which we did by utilizing a pneumatic cylinder to pin 6 ribbons at once.